Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to loop a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's begin the video. At first, select the video clip you want to loop. Now let's cut into the middle of our video and drag the top half above it. Now go to the Effects panel and search for Cross. Now drag and drop it onto the end of your top clip. Now hold Alt key on your keyboard. Simply drag them to make a copy to attach to the end of the past loop. Now play the video. As you see, you have added loop into your video. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.